guys, on this video we're going to remember an old computer from the 80s, the Spectrum, XE Spectrum, a wonderful computer indeed. For those who still remember it, maybe the key G means something. Yes, load, quote, double quotes. Well, this was the comments we used to insert to play a game. So let's see what happens now. Oh, wonderful colors indeed. Now it's time to press play on the tape. And what's going to happen? Whoa, Manic Miner! Indeed a great game. So addict. And now these beautiful lines and these wonderful sounds will take... Oh, whoa! This is the presentation image. Oh, fantastic! Absolutely! This will be a great game. No doubts. And this funny music, futuristic music, will go on for some minutes. Spectrum was a small computer, like a small keyboard with an output for TV sets, an audio input and output, so we could load our games and programs and save them. Now, if you the younger guys, well, fantastic. Well, 3 minutes to wait to game to load. Whoa. And for those who remember the pain it was when something went wrong, like for instance the game is about to load and oh no, tape loading error, no. Whoa, no. Well, now it was a nightmare. Well, we have to rewind the tape, tune the azimuth of the head if necessary, and well, if you have several games in the same cassette, in same tape, well, with these kinds of sounds that are so different from each other, it was a pain in the ass to find the beginning of the game. But now let's start all over again. Let's see what if we have more luck. And let's play it again. Oops, it was still there, the image, but no problem. Seems it's loading. Let's see. Whoa! Yes, it is loading. Well, now we're going to jump to the future for some minutes, and see you right now. Let's see. It seems we are almost there. We are almost there. Oh, I'm so anxious. Let's see. Yes, the game loaded. Yes. Oh, what a wonderful music. Listen to this. Great sing. Oh, damn, this is so good. Well, it was good 30 years ago, probably. But it's still some nostalgic. Let's see. Oh, what do I have to do? Well, I have this guy here, but let's jump. Oh, jump. Let's jump. Okay. I think I cannot touch this thing. Oh, no. Well, let's see now. Whoa, oh, shit. Let's see. Oh, the other guy. Oh, Oh, I'm really retarded. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I will be posting more videos with some old legendary games from Spectrum. So see you next time, and thank you for watching. And let's stay with music!